This is the unboxing of the Lennox Adjustable AA Battery Power Supply Adapter Kit. So here it is. We got the key, we got the dummy batteries. There's the plug-in. As you can see, it goes from 3 volts all the way up to 12 volts. Each battery, each AA battery is 1.5 volts. So for 3 volts, you have 2 batteries. So it goes from 2 batteries all the way up to 8 batteries that this can replace. It will not replace just one battery. You have to get something else for that. And inside this box is the power battery. This is where all the power goes through. And it has the flat wire so that you can close the battery compartment onto it. This has the plug-in on it. You plug it into the adapter plug-in here. Here's the plug-in. You plug in the power battery into this. And you're ready to go. All you need to do now is take the key out of here. This little bag. And then you can adjust the adapter to how many batteries you want to use. Goes right inside of here like this. Adjust it from 3 all the way up to 12 volts, which is 8 batteries. You go from 2 to 8 batteries. You can have 2 batteries, 3 batteries, 4 batteries, 5, 6, 7, and 8, but you cannot have just the one battery.